On this wonderful sunny day in Alsace Region in France, we decided to go south and have a side trip to Eguisheim, an hour drive from our accommodation near Strasbourg and a few kilometers southwest of Colmar.
Hi there, what's up mommies and friends? Welcome back to my channel. So today is the 8th day of our vacation road trip to Germany and France. So right now we're in Colmar. It's a beautiful city next to Strasbourg. It's around 1 hour drive. I'm the PA. Ang init kasi. May tagapayo. So we're gonna start our tour here. It's like 20 minutes away from Colmar. It's an outskirt, small town besides Colmar. I'm gonna check out what's the name of the town. And later we're gonna go to Colmar. Okay? So if you're ready, then let's get started. Los kids!
Eguisheim is a medieval village in Alsace wine region. The narrow concentric streets of its old town are lined with many preserved half-timbered houses.
Hi mommies and friends! Ayun, may store doon sa taas. Bibihira na daw yan.
Eguisheim is also known as the Onion City in terms of its city typology because apart from the west-east running Grand Rue, all the alleys are in a ring around the octagonal castle complex in the center. Unfortunately, we weren't able to visit the three castles because we arrived quite late in the afternoon that day. The best thing to do is to go around the cobblestones of Eguisheim and see for yourself why it is called one of the best villages in France.
May cheese tasting po doon, no? Taray sa tabi-tabi lang.
Ouais, ça ressemble un petit peu au chef du Pays Basque. Je le fais découvrir pas mal de fois. Mais souvent, c'est vrai que c'est pas on essaie un petit peu de leur faire découvrir, mais c'est pas vraiment notre plat de cartel. Ils ont beaucoup de mal avec
May cheese. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ako natutuwa sa amoy niya.
Ouais, beaucoup, ouais. Beaucoup sucré salé. Et puis en fait, you can ils mangent rien de... Ouais, c'est ça, ouais. C'est avec la truffe. Je sais pas si tu veux truffle.
Truffle? Ay, masarap yung truffle. That's super expensive.
Oui, on travaille beaucoup la saveur. Je crois que c'est
Yeah, sarap. Masarap yung truffle. Parang sa mushroom yan eh.
Parce qu'il y a sucré, salé, la mer, l'aigle et une cinquième.
Very rare mushroom. Try this.
Cheese with vanille and
Ang sarap, in fairness. Yummy. Mom, she will gonna try the cheese.
Try natin this one. It's very...
Momshies, look at that. They have decorative, what do you call this? Figurines and mga kitchen utilities, equipment. They're hanging on their window. O, diba? Pictures, pots, old pots. Parang nasa ukay-ukay lang. But it's actually a design. Kaloka.
This charming typical little Alsatian village features brightly colored old houses with pointed roofs and timber-framed facades. This little village has been ranked as one of the most beautiful villages in France since 2003 and won the title of France's favorite village in 2013 on a TV show presented by Stéphane Bern. This medical village pleases for its modest size, its unique architecture, its profusion of flowers in the summer, but also for its authentic charm and at Christmas time when many activities are offered around the Christmas market. The Vineyards of Eguisheim produces Alsace wine of best quality. During this time in August, everyone should present a proof of vaccination or negative test result valid for 3 days before we were able to dine in any restaurant.
They don't have a menu. All they have is this. This is the QR code which you need to scan on your phone and then connect to the internet so you will be able to check their menu. Anti-corona menu.
One thing to remember in France is that most of the restaurants are closed after 2 p.m. or so. That's why we only had our lunch in a small snack bar, which is open throughout the entire afternoon. But we really loved it there because aside from the delicious sandwiches they offer, we enjoyed the coziness of the small but cute snack bar. This medieval city unfolds in concentric circles. You will discover in this original village different fountains, courtyards, and beautiful church sheltering a 13th century opening virgin. It will be good to stroll along the alleys and admire the colorful palette of the houses whose very old inscriptions on the door, lintels you can decipher. So that ends our short but very memorable trip to Eguisheim. We will definitely be back to visit the three castles. And now, we're on our way to Colmar! On the way to Colmar is nothing but the scenic view of the vineyards in Alsace Region France. If you love videos like this and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the red button and the notification bell so you'll be updated. Thank you so much for watching and bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!